Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We welcome you to Safdar Sajid official YouTube channel. Respected viewers, through this channel you can learn to read the Holy Quran with tajweed. Inshallah, you are requested to watch all the videos from beginning to end. Now, without wasting time, let's move on to today's lesson. Today's lesson is about the alphabet. Dear viewers, the Arabic alphabet has 29 letters from alif to ya. Let's move on to the page to practice practically these 29 letters. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال راء زاء سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو هاء همزة يا. Respected viewers, these 29 letters are pronounced from 17 places. These 17 places are called makharij. Makharij is the plural of makhraj. Makhraj means a place where is a letter pronounced. Respected viewers, it's enough for today. In the next video, we will discuss inshallah about the makharij. If you have any questions regarding the lesson, you can ask through comment. Respected viewers, beside that, if you are or anyone in your friends, family member want to take online classes, kindly contact us. Our WhatsApp number is given on the screen. Stay blessed. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.